Kumshi benta ban penpau ya ka jing sngongu ya ka Sorkar jala ki Nonghikai SSA menta ka arphokhandai tarik nailar arhaja arphaulai kila penlong ya ka program ban penkop buram ya ka Sorkar lamar ka jing trei khlam shong that na ka benta ban weng ya ki jing jong ki Nonghikai hakani ka jala u advisor jong ka tanat puli puthi ka Sorkar jala uba Himalaya Shangpliang uba longru u kongsan bakarpang hakani ka sngi ulong ba hakini ki samsnem la judan buon ki jing hakaba ki Nonghikai ki jui ya ki kamra kelas bat ki hap ban mi shasurok bandawa ya ka hok kabaki dei ban yo kanthop katulop ka arya Henry haka Sorkar MDA 1 hapo ka jingalam jong ukan rat sangma kum menteri rangba ka jala kala persyang ban le kat bala ban wengi ka jing bat dei haka ni ka Sorkar MDA 2 tang hapdeng ki Henry Bnai kala la ban le khamba shu haka ba kala la ban weng ya baro ki jing jong ki Nonghikai ong uba Shangpliang.
In their endeavor to fight for the rights of the teachers, and that is where we are today, to be felicitated by the SSA Association. We would have loved to see the executive members to utilize this forum today, utilize the presence of all the members of the units here to ponder and discuss on the probable change that is going to come in the years to come. Not years, rather it's going to come very soon. So therefore, this is the right platform, I guess, for all of you to sit and discuss how we move forward from here. While we try to bring changes, kindly support the government under the leadership of our Chief Minister, Conrad Sama. He has given a lot of priorities for all these years. The Conrad Sama government has taken this initiative, and we have already cleared the first installment to you, and now the second installment, which was due to be given to you in December before Christmas, is already on the way to all your accounts. You can imagine how speedily the department is functioning now. I was telling the Honorable Minister, we would not like to see any of the SSA teachers to come and tell us what to do. We should know our role, we should know our duty. While they perform their duty in the classroom, we should perform our duty in our office rooms. Am I right? To have the special meeting with the officials and the ministry, particularly for the problems faced by the SSA teachers. And that is why I stand here to tell you of why things have started to be better now, because of the reason that we have complied to all the norms. Whatever was pending, there was a big gap between the state government and the central government. There were a lot of UCs that were not being furnished to them. There were a lot of papers that we have not informed them. And that is the reason SSA money was blocked in. And I must announce today to you that we have already processed the file for releasing of your capping salary of 52 crores. The government of Meghalaya, under the dynamic leadership of Sri Conrad Sangma, has always been behind the SSA teachers. We have noticed, we have seen how committed the government is. That we will be setting some goals for you now. You cannot just keep on demanding things from the government. We also have to demand something from you. We want you will be giving certain goals which the SSA Directorate will be providing certain goals for you. There will be curriculums that will be changing. We have new education policy coming in place. You have to be prepared. You will be trained again. All teachers will be trained again, given orientation courses to adopt the new education policy in the state. And therefore, my dear friends, like I said, you will be given certain goals. Now these goals have to be achieved because we have to move with a change.